The Dewoitine D.520 was a highly effective French fighter aircraft that saw service during World War. Despite being a bit late to the conflict in large numbers, it was one of the few French aircraft that could hold its own against the formidable German Messerschmitt Bf 109. With its sleek design, good speed, and excellent maneuverability, the D-520 earned the respect of both its pilots and its adversaries. While France's defeat in 1940 prevented the D-520 from reaching its full potential in French service, it continued to be used by the Vichy French Air Force and even by the Axis powers themselves.